Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card video memory, also known as VRAM, in Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. So let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select System. Then click Display. Scroll down and click Advanced Display. Next, click Display Adapter Properties. A new window will open. Under the Adapter tab, look for Dedicated Video Memory. This shows the amount of VRAM installed on your graphics card. You can also see Shared System Memory and Total Available Graphics Memory in the same window. And that's it. You've successfully checked your graphics card video memory, or VRAM, in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.